Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you one of the iPhone hidden features, and it's the other way to select a text. So we're going into iMessage, but you can do it anyway, anywhere, and type something. Then click and hold the Shift key, and now click and hold the space key. As you can see, now sliding the space key, we can select everything. And one more time, maybe from here. Oh, I can't do it. Oh, yeah. Now, Shift and space and select. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.